Welcome to KnowledgeHut, where we don't just teach Scrum. We redefine the learning experience. Learn with live, instructor-led sessions that bring the classroom to your screen. Our accredited CSTs, certified Scrum trainers, with years of hands-on experience, guide you through interactive training sessions. As a Scrum Alliance registered education ally, KnowledgeHut has empowered over 250,000 Agile professionals. Now, it's your turn to tap into this wealth of expertise. Study with a curriculum crafted by professionals licensed by Scrum Alliance. Dive deep into the core concepts of Scrum events: sprint, sprint planning, daily Scrum, sprint review, and the sprint retrospective. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge that not only meets but exceeds industry standards. Practice makes perfect. Gain hands-on experience with real-life case studies, role-play exercises, and interactive Scrum activities. Clear your doubts in weekly Scrum enablement sessions with our mentors, providing crucial support on your journey to becoming a Scrum Master. Get exam ready with confidence. Take advantage of our 4 CSM mock exams, meticulously designed to mirror the real exam pattern. Test your knowledge and build the confidence you need to ace the Certified Scrum Master exam on your first attempt. The moment you've been waiting for? Take the exam and ace it in the very first go. With 50 multiple choice and true-false questions in 60 minutes, pass with a score of 74%, and proudly hold your Certified Scrum Master certification. We're with you every step of the way, ensuring your success is our success. KnowledgeHut, your partner in mastering Scrum. Enroll now and unlock a world of possibilities as a Certified Scrum Master.